Well, guys, what are those little exoskeletons you see crawling up the trees? Well, this is one of them right here. It's a cicada. And you're asking yourself, what do these guys eat? Well, they stay under the ground for like 13 to 17 years before they come out, and they don't feed on leaves or stems. Instead, they feed on the plant roots and suck the juice out of the roots. When they finally emerge, they have like insect-like mouths, and they'll go to the tips of the plants and suck the juice out of them. Now, they have piercing mouths like mosquitoes, so just be glad that they like the juices from plants and not their insect relative mosquitoes, which like the blood of humans. Can you imagine one of these sucking the blood out of you on your neck? I mean, I think that would leave a giant itch mark. So let's be glad about that. Now, what's the noise you hear? When you hear those noises, you know the cicadas are back. And what it is the male is searching for a female. Now these bugs, and you can see this guy is trying to get away from me. These bugs are a great protein source for frogs, birds. So for the 3 or 4 months they're adults, they're very nourishing, and what to animals and amphibians and whatever catches them, birds. And what happens is, once they're mated and the female's ready to lay her, she makes a slit in a plant and deposits her eggs in the plant, and somehow they get back to the roots, the babies, and they'll stay underground for 13 to 17 years before they come out again. Now, I do have a video, not a video, but I do have the sound they make. So this is a cicada, and this is what you're going to hear. And that's from them flapping their wings, and there's little drums under their male's wings. And that's a cicada saying, "I want a girlfriend." That's a male. And this guy is a little scared of me, but he's fine. And that was your cicada. He's fine. And the ones in the New York City region look like that. Some of them have red eyes, so there's all different kinds, I guess. And you could see he's not showing us his sucking mouth right now, but you could see that little stem on the end. That's what he sticks into the succulent branch on the tip of a tree, and he'll suck the juice out of it. So they really don't do that much damage to the plants. The only damage is when they slice the holes in the ends of the branches to deposit their eggs. So they're not as bad as grasshoppers and locusts, so they're not as detrimental to the plants and the trees. And even when they're living underground, they'll just eat small amounts of roots and suck the juice out of the roots. So they're really beneficial to the forest as a food source. And this is what he looks like. Handsome little guy. Hey everybody! Stingray, are you gonna let me fly away? Yes. Yes. And I was digging around in my yards harvesting, and he flew into me, so that's why my fingers are a little dirty. Sorry about that. You never know when one of these guys is going to visit. And the wings are practically clear. So unlike butterflies, they're not the most beautiful insect, but they're one of the noisiest, and also they're pretty cool. So I guess trees refer to them as mosquitoes. They're giant tree mosquitoes, because I'm sure they're not happy about getting their juices sucked out, just the same way we aren't when a mosquito attacks us. But this is one of God's creatures, and I think they're very cool. So before he flies away, we're going to ask you to please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, hit the like button. Make a comment below. What do you think about these guys? Are they creepy? Are they cool? Would you be like me and just handle it and not care? Or would you be scared of it? If it landed on your arm right now, would you be scared of it? Or would you be like a frog and devour it? Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless. Take care.